In today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade under 5 in Deriv using the various analysis tools available, okay? As you guys know, almost every trader has a third-party website right now, and they contain various analysis tools that are very important, okay? As you guys know, you have always insisted, only trade on the official website, only trust your trades with the official Deriv.com website, okay? I do not have a website, and I only trade on the official platform. I also advise you to only trade on the official Deriv platform, okay? Yeah, so how do you, but these third-party websites have a very good features like analysis tools, which are very important, especially as a trader. It is very important for you to know how you can leverage them to increase the accuracy and to increase the efficiency of your trades, okay? So, as I begin, and welcome all of you to the DerivNavigatorAcademy, where we have the best Deriv-oriented videos for you, okay? Now, under 5 is one of the riskiest markets in Deriv, okay? It is very risky, okay? As I told you guys, when you're trading under, the lower you go, the more risky it becomes. When you're trading over, the higher you go, the more riskier it becomes, okay? So we'll be very strict with the particular conditions we'll be looking at, so I urge you to be very keen. All right, in case you feel something has not been covered appropriately, you can always comment down below, or you can rewind a bit to hear it again. And if you feel it is not convincing you, you can always comment down below, okay? Under 5, under 5, under 5. The first condition, I'm going directly into it without wasting time. Ensure 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all below 10%. Here we have to be absolutely strict, okay? As you guys know, like right now, the market on my screen is volatility 100. You can see actually 5 is good, 6 is good, 7 is a bit higher than 10%, 8 is good, and 9 is good. So if all of them could be below 10%, that could be amazing. Now, what is the reason for this? The reason for this is that we want to ensure the over 5 market is as weak as it can be, okay? We want to ensure it is as weak as it can be so that there's so minimal chance of that ticker basically going to the numbers above 5, because if it goes to the numbers above 5, you can see how damaging it can become for us, okay? So that is why we have to ensure 5, we have to ensure 6, we have to ensure 7, and we have to ensure 8 and 9 are all below 10%, non-negotiable, okay? Please be very strict, because I'm telling you the loss rate in under 5 is high, okay? So if you just decide to ignore one of these conditions, it can become bad. So the first condition, ensure 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are below 10%. There's the second condition, okay? Now, the second condition is this. Ensure 0, ensure 1, ensure 2, ensure 3, and ensure 4 are all above 10%, and even above 10.5, if you can find such a market, okay? So the reason for this is basically we want the under 5 market to be as strong as it can be, okay? Because the stronger it is, the better it is for us, okay? So we want to ensure 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all above 10%, or even above 10.5. The higher they are, the better. That is what exactly we are aiming for, okay? Ensure they are as high as they can be for our own safety, okay? So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 above 10.5, above 10% or 10.5, and then ensure 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all below 10%, okay? So those are the first two conditions. The third condition, we have to ensure this is an absolute under market. Now, what do I mean? What I mean is that the green circle should be at 0 and the red circle at 9. Basically, the green circle should be on digit 0 and the red circle on digit 9. The green circle must always be above 12.5% when it is on 0, and the red circle should be below 8.5% when it is on 9. I know it seems it is a little bit too hard, but you have to make it hard. It has to be hard for us to make a profit, okay? Yeah, for you to incur a win in under 5 is not a joke. And if you incur a win, you also get a nice profit at the end, okay? But you have to work for it, okay? Yeah, so ensure 0 is above. In fact, I can say above 12%, and 9 should be below 9%, okay? Below 9 or 8.5, and 0 should be above either 12 or 12.5%. As long as it is 12 point something, you are safe. And for 9, as long as it is 8 point something, even if it is 8.9, 8.8, 8.7, that is also good. As you can see right now, the red circle is on 9, that is 8.3, that is amazing. But if now this green circle could be at 0 and then it is at 12.1, 12.2 going higher, that could also be really amazing. So those are the first 3 conditions, okay? Please don't forget them. Don't forget them. The first condition, as you have said, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 below 10%. The second condition, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 above 10% or even 10.5. The higher they are, the better. Okay, the third condition, the green circle should be at 0, the red circle should be at 9, and again, the green circle should always be above 12%, and the red circle should basically be below 9%, okay? Yeah, so basically you want it to be weak, okay? The reason for this is because we want this market to be a truly under market. Okay, so those are some of the things, first of all, you look at this part. Now, when it comes to the entry, as I told you guys, we'll only be looking at the we'll be looking at the analysis tool entry. If you want to check our other under 5 videos, I will link them down below so that you can go and check them out. Okay, we have released a couple of we have released several under 5 videos, but this one basically is oriented towards the analysis tool. But if you want to see the others that are basically only made for you to use only on Deriv, I'll put that link in the description. You can go in the description, check it out, and click it. You'll be able to see it right there. Okay. Now, after that, you scroll down below a bit, just scroll a bit, and then you come and click digit 5. So maybe if you find it at 2, come and click on 5. Okay. Now, when you come here, as you can see right now, after I've scrolled, I've seen this percentage of 60.9. Now, if this percentage incurs an increase of 0.2% from the time I found it, I proceed and run my bot. Okay, like you can see right now, we found it at 60.9, it went to 61.0, 61.2. So like right now, I was supposed to run my bot if the market was okay up here. Okay, so basically when you scroll down below and you find this percentage is above 60%, and then from the time you found it, you see that it has increased by 0.2. Maybe you scroll down below and then you found it at 61.0, and then all of a sudden you see it has gone to 61.1 and then 61.2. Proceed and run your bot. Okay, yeah, anytime you see that percentage has incurred an increase of more than 0.2%, run your bot. But first of all, you have to ensure everything is okay up here before you run your bot based on what you see down here. Okay, and again, I repeat, this percentage should always be more than 60%. Basically, it should be stronger than the over percentage. Okay, so ensure this percentage is above 60%, and then wait for that percentage to increase by 0.2%, and then you can proceed and run your bot. So basically, this is the bot entry. Okay, so if you are using a bot, proceed and run your bot after you have seen that percentage has incurred an increase of more than 0.2%. Now, for those who like trading manually, what do you do? Okay, so if you're trading manually, okay, so basically this is what you do. Please listen carefully. Okay, if you're trading manually, you can see you have this ticker that is moving from number to number. Okay, so you'll wait for this ticker to go to 2 or 3 numbers above 5, and then immediately this ticker lands on 8, you press under. Example, if this ticker comes to 6, 7, and then 8, press under. If it goes to 9, 5, 6, and then 8, press under. Okay, but ensure before you the ticker lands on 8 and before you press under, ensure 2 or 3 other numbers have been touched by the ticker. Okay, so it can go to 5, 7, 8 under, 5, 6, 8 under, 5, 9, 7, and then 8 under, 5, 9, 6, and then 8 under. Okay, but before you press under, when the ticker touches 8, ensure it has touched other 2 numbers. Okay, and you have to be very fast. You have to do proper timing. If you do the wrong timing, or if you are unable to press under on time, you can wait for another setup and then you run again. Okay, yeah, but you have to be very careful with this because mistakes here can become quite painful and become quite costly. So you have to be very keen with what you are doing with the trades you're entering at this particular part. Okay, yeah, so guys, that is exactly what you look at when you're trading when you're trading under 6. Okay, under 5, sorry. Yeah, so be very keen with that. Under 5 is it can give you good profits if you take it seriously. Again, for this strategy, ensure first of all you practice it in your demo to get a better understanding, to get a better feel of it. Okay, practice it in your demo account. In case you have any questions about it, please feel free to ask it in the comment section, or you can contact us on our WhatsApp number that is also in the description. If you have not created an account, please ensure you create now. Especially if you are a beginner, create now. This is the right time. For those who have Deriv accounts but you have not opened a DMT5 account on the official Deriv platform, please ensure you create one right now. Okay, for every deposit you make up to $100, you get a bonus of 20%. Okay, so please, and this offer only ends on the 30th of April, so please ensure you take it right now. Okay, don't miss out. And again, it will enable you to make more and more trades. Okay, for any questions about this, also let me know down in the comment section and I will get back to you. Others, guys, I appreciate you for listening. Thank you for being here. Keep on trading, keep on pushing. Let us meet in the next one. Cheers.